Hi, I'm Miss Dayna with ArtSphere Inc., and today you're going to learn how to make a cardboard tube owl. The only materials you're going to need today are a cardboard tube, like a toilet paper roll, or cut down a paper towel roll, and some type of marker. I'm using a Sharpie today. First thing you need to do is bend the top inward, and then flip it around and bend the other side in, and give each side a little pinch. Now we just created our owl's ear tufts. Get your marker and let's draw the owl's face. I'm going to start with one wide eye on the left and then another on the right. Give each eye a black pupil inside. Draw your owl's beak, just a triangle. Let's give our owl a wing on each side. Draw connecting U's or a scallop line for the feathers on the belly. And add any fun details you'd like. You can decide to stop there, or flip your tube over and draw another owl on the other side. I'm going to give this owl a totally different personality and expression. Now I have two totally different owls on one tube. Extend the journey by collecting more tubes and making a whole family of owls. You can even add color to your owls by using paints, markers, or anything you have. Don't forget to share your art with ArtSphere for a chance to be featured on social media and our online art show.